Sniper trade of the day for August 17th, 2026. This is in DVN, Devon Energy. Black box is previous day's range. These are 10-minute charts. The blue box at 2 is the last 30 minutes of the day, last Friday. 3 is the gap up at the yellow dot, and the OR 10, opening range 10, is the green box. We get a 1, 2, 3 entry at 4 with a standard risk of 25 cents. We take a scratch trade at 5. Re-enter with a 1, 2, 3 entry at 6, slightly higher entry, same risk box. At 7, new high of the day, taking out the previous peak. Second position at 7, third position at 8, because why not? Energy's working. It rolls higher. We get a bottom skin of the dragon exit at 9. It's close to the end of the day, and we lock in about that's about 7R on Devon Energy. This is Ken at Tortoise Capital and Owl Group Trading. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry.